Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping fast. Wash your hands, clean the wound, and dry the area so the bandage adheres. Once done, remove hair or oils using an alcohol wipe. This prevents lifting. Now shake the bottle for 5 to 10 seconds to mix ingredients evenly and hold the applicator about 1/4 inch from the skin. Apply a thin bead directly over the cut. Steady pressure, steady motion. Remember, a thin coat bonds better than globbing on, and you want smooth, even coverage for good sealing. You continue by layering carefully. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for the first coat to tack before adding another. Make only up to 3 thin layers. Multiple thin coats create a stronger, flexible film without cracking. While drying, keep the skin relaxed and avoid stretching the area because movement can cause gaps. Hold still for 2 to 3 minutes. If you need faster drying, use cool air or a gentle fan. Do not blow hard or use heat, since that can disturb the film and reduce adhesion. You finish by inspecting the seal after about 5 minutes, making sure the edges are smooth and fully bonded. If there's excess hardened film, trim carefully with blunt scissors only when fully set. If you experience stinging or a rash, wash off the product with soap and water immediately and seek medical advice if symptoms are severe. If an edge peels later, gently clean the margin and reapply a thin layer to reseal. Avoid overcoating the whole area, since that can create stiffness and trap moisture under the film.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.